Hi, this is an evaluation of the orderIT trading system activity for January the 27th, 2022. We had two trades on that day. One was a buy, one was a short sell. First trade was HCA. That's HCA Healthcare Incorporated, tripped at 12:30:57 p.m. at a price of $229.03. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 228.85, down 4.65%. So that's a positive. Check the indicators on that. $12:30:57. Okay. So it was down. It didn't come around this time. So you see, it came down. Volume came down till around the early afternoon, then started to recover. MACD, same thing, came down and recovered. DI came down and recovered. Bollinger Band came down and recovered a little bit. The good thing is, the other indicators are showing that the activity recovered in the afternoon, but the Bollinger Band shows that price activity did not recover as drastically as being, well, technically the other day, they're not showing drastic recovery. It's showing just basically a drop and then a little bit of an upwards rise and sideways movement. DI bouncing back and forth. Bollinger Band somewhat shows that result, which is sideways. So it did not so much recover or start moving positive as much as it came back from moving negative and moved somewhat into a sideways movement. So that's how that stock ended. Next trade is FLWS. That is 1-800-Flowers.com Incorporated, tripped at 3:10:08 p.m. at a price of $15.12. It was a buy. It closed the day at $15.08. Interestingly enough, down 28.46% and down 0.53% after hours. That's an interesting one. You can barely see the price activity here because it's so it obviously it opened up very, very down, and then yeah, it was just bouncing back and forth. There's just not enough indication, at least on Yahoo, showing the price activity. Maybe Google will show it a bit more clear, because Google is sometimes a bit more clearer in its representation. FLWS, LWS. BMB, I don't know about that, but I'll stay on here. Yeah, even Google is not really showing. There's just not enough activity there to really give a good indication of what's going on. So I can't say it's a positive because there's just not enough there. Volume, yeah, it came up a little bit. MACD shows it coming up. DI shows it coming up, and Bollinger Band shows it coming up. So this stock definitely was moving positive in the afternoon from the indicators. So I'm going to say that's a possible just because the indicator is showing it's a possible. But the price activity you see in the stock, it actually dropped quite heavily. You know, it just happened to be we catch it as it was moving positive after hours. Anyways, that's 50% for positive and 100% for possible. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.